Are you assigned, interested, or committed? When you are just assigned, you only have an external drive. Your motivation is not intrinsic. You only have a feeling of compulsion, and it is not nice to be forced to do something. Assigned people, they make excuses, even the task hasn't been started yet. And it's so very constraining. Assigned people, they feel no need to do to the maximum because they are not as excited with the task. When you are interested, you just do it for your convenience. You only do when you feel like it. Interested people, they make excuses, especially when the going gets tough, because they are just curious in the beginning. So these interested people, they could have had missed goals. When you are committed, this is the winner attitude. You have the mindset of a champion because you have a goal and you have a belief that you are going to be successful. Committed people, they are willing to invest fully their time, their energy, their money, and everything. They are just committed to be all in. They are going to use all resources they have with them and take action to it. They never give up. They keep going with so many trials and challenges, and they will never ever grudge with the cost of pursuing their dream, because they are not going to make any excuses getting bigger than the commitment they are going to make. So, when you are completely committed, nothing will stand in your way. I am Evidia Indrawati. Welcome to our training.